Another new accessory we launched recently is our FlexShaft Repair Coupling. So these are available for the 1/4 inch and 5/16 cable right now. They'll only fit in the Plus units and then the upcoming milling machine. All you need is a 1 inch and 13/16 crescent wrench, or you can use adjustable wrenches. I'll show you how you would initially install it. This clamping nut has a collet inside. So this is sort of retained in there. It can come out if you want, so you do want to make sure that's fully pressed in there, flush with the surface. So you put that part on first. And then with this housing portion, so you'll bottom the cable out into this portion, and there's a little view area you can see the cable come through. Tighten this by hand, and then once you've tightened that, you only need to turn it 180 degrees for it to be tight. So now that I have that hand tight, I'm just going to do 180 degrees, or as far as I can get, and that is good to go. So this will just attach in the machine with that same detent pin. And to show you how this would look in the Plus units, so right now we have those 2 couplings. Use a C-clip to clip this one in to tell you, keep this one in the machine. If you are using the crimped coupling, you just use this detent pin, pop that out to replace this coupling. If you do replace it with the repair coupling, you will take both of these out. So take that little clip off, take this pin out, take both couplings out. Your new cable with the repair coupling on it, that detent pin will just go through that first hole there, and you will be ready to go.